Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of natural hair care, and we're focusing on a true superstar, aloe vera. You've probably seen aloe vera gel in countless products, but did you know just how powerful it is for your hair? Let's break down the amazing benefits. First up, aloe vera is a fantastic natural conditioner. It's packed with vitamins and minerals that hydrate your hair, leaving it soft and smooth. Second, it helps soothe an itchy scalp. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that can calm irritation and reduce dandruff. Third, it can strengthen your hair and reduce breakage. Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E, which promote healthy cell growth and shiny hair. And finally, it can even promote hair growth. By improving blood circulation to the scalp and nourishing the hair follicles, aloe vera can help stimulate new hair growth. So, how do you harness all these amazing benefits? Well, let me show you a simple and effective aloe vera hair mask recipe. For this recipe, you'll need 1 fresh aloe vera leaf, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. First, carefully slice open the aloe vera leaf and scoop out the gel. Next, blend the aloe vera gel with the coconut oil and honey until you have a smooth mixture. Now, apply the mask to your scalp and hair, focusing on the roots. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse it out with your regular shampoo and conditioner. You can use this mask once or twice a week for best results. And there you have it. A simple and effective way to use aloe vera for healthier, stronger, and more beautiful hair. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Don't forget to share your aloe vera hair care experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.